Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. We got a busy day ahead of us. We got to work on our serving board, which means rounding this over, sanding it down. We've got the drawer here that we need to also contour with the rest of this so it all blends in nicely, getting it all prepped for finish. So again, really busy. Let's get started. The sushi serving board turned out perfect for me. It was exactly what was in my head. I love the rounded shape to it. The ends here look gorgeous, especially with the miters. And then this end here, nice and clean, but it has the drawer with the dowel pins to it. It's perfect. So now it's time to apply finish. I'm gonna go with a salad bowl finish. It's food safe once it cures. Gonna be perfect for this sort of job. So time to apply it. I think this wood's really going to soak up the finish. That looks gorgeous. that pattern really comes to life. This is ingrained too, so it's probably going to soak up quite a bit. So I imagine I'll put several more coats on the top than I will on the rest of the walnut, just because it won't need it. But it's going to soak up quite a bit there on the serving portion. I don't know if you've ever gotten that feeling where you had something in your head and then you were able to actually turn it into a reality. And that's exactly what happened with this. I had this image. I knew that I had this checkerboard pattern. I knew that I wanted a serving board out of it, but it actually exceeded my expectations. The beautiful colors in the air-dried walnut looks fantastic with that top. And I have to say, the drawer is probably my favorite part. It's so seamless whenever it goes in, and those brass pins that we put in the joinery just gives it that little bit extra pop that it needed. Make sure you follow me on social media where I'll post more pictures of this project. And thank you for following me along with my woodworking journey. Please subscribe if you like this sort of content and share it with other people that you think might want to build something like this. And until we meet again, get in your shop and build something awesome.